G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravan. Thought I'd just give you a few quick ideas on what we do here in relation to fridges. If you ever have a problem or whatnot, bring your fridge down to us. There's a lot of things that we do in regards to fixing fridges. It can range to just repairing small things in relation to like fans at the back of fridges, removing and replacing elements on the 12 volt side and the 240 volt side. We can also advise you on the best setup in relation to running your fridge on 12 volt when you have to go from a destination A to B. Some setups are, which is the ideal setup, is to run your 12 volt element off your car, which powers your fridge up while you're travelling. The other not so ideal way for a 12 volt fridge to be set up was to run it off your house battery, but depending if you've got a three-way fridge or a compressor fridge, that can vary as well. We also do repairs in regards to removing and replacing back panels, removing and replacing whole new fridges in general, and we can also modify cabinetry if you were to go with a whole different type of fridge. But yeah, if you guys have any issues or whatnot with your fridges, come down to us, come give us a chat, and we can probably give you the best outcome or the best way into solving that issue or problem for you. So if you have any comments, just give us a call or leave it in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.